The measures of angles of a triangle are in extended ratio given. Find the measures of angles of a triangle. So first let me sketch triangle, because we have given the ratio 4, 5, 9. So we will label the measure as 4x degrees, 5x degrees, 9x degrees. So now we know that the measure of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So we can write that 4x degrees plus 5x degrees plus 9x degrees, this is equal 180 degrees. Let's forget about degrees. So we will have 4 plus 5 is 9 plus 9 is 18x. This is equal 180. Now we will divide both sides by 18. 18 and 18 we can reduce, and we have that x is equal 10. So now when we have x, we can calculate the measures of angles in our triangle. We have that first angle is 4 times x degrees. So we will substitute x by 10. So we have 4 times 40, 10 degrees. So this is 40 degrees. Next we have 5x degrees. So this is 5 times 10 degrees. So this is 50 degrees. And last we have 9x degrees, so this is 9 times 10 degrees, so this is 90 degrees. This is my solution.